Welcome to the Robofest Online World Championship Exhibition event for the Senior Division.
Hi, I am Toño.
Hi, I am Daniel.
This project is an introduction to vision systems using LabVIEW. So we gave the fish the opportunity to conquer the land.
This project is divided in three main systems: the vision system, navigation system, and communication system.
Now the fish is controlling the robot. The true purpose of this project is to be applied in different situations, like the medical situation and controlling wheelchairs for paralytics with the iris.
Hi, I'm Nick.
And I'm Maria.
We built this Cornhole railgun to learn about projectile physics and to play against a robot. The applications with projectile physics can be used in ballistics and sports.
We thought that this was a great way to show that physics is fun. Many robots can play against humans in mental games such as chess, Go, or even Jeopardy. We thought, why not a physical game? Cornhole would be the perfect example to show that projectile motion is fun and we can play cornhole.
Here we have our 4 bungee cords that hold the elastic potential energy in the system. They wrap around these rollers and connect to a nylon cord through this adapter. The nylon cord is then tensioned with the spool, which is powered by a DC motor and a 320-to-1 ratio gearbox with an encoder.
Launching in 3, 2, 1.
Wow, nice shot.
It would be great if it were smaller and maybe a golf ball or a Nerf ball could be used.
This is a great project at classrooms to learn about physics in a fun way.
Autonomous parking enforcement officer, the people who go around and give you tickets in the big cities. We wanted to automate that with a drone using AI, OpenCV camera stuff in order to read the license plates. This is the picture of the video. You see it works with the phone as well. Oh, there she goes.
So you can see, as the program starts, a recorder thread starts up, and it will record a few frames at a time.
But what it did there is it pulled up the video and it drew a green box around the license plate to show we detected it. These cardboard printouts of license plates, it works with photos of license plates, it'll work with temporary license plates, and it'll work with the real deal. I'd say you could bring it to market with state officials right off the bat because they could use it for parking enforcement. That's the plan.
Hello, my name is Michael C. There's a giant problem with traffic accidents. These are all problems that could be mitigated through some kind of device that could arrive before ambulances do. I've implemented a drone. It would arrive with a first aid kit or a defibrillator, depending on what's going on. The drone will arrive at the rough location using a street address. I first made a prompt, and I'm going to start with my closed hand in front, as the instruction manual said. Now I'm going to make it travel downward. 5, 4, there we go. That's when I landed on media pipe, which draws coordinate points based on your model at each joint in the hand. If you don't constantly send the drone commands, it is going to land.
Hello, judges. My name is Mario.
My name is Wilson Chan.
I'm Wilson Lai.
My name is Brian Guo. Raymond Fong.
Right now, when you come to Macau, you have to stay in quarantine facilities. These facilities accommodate people with risk of carrying viruses. So to minimize the contact between the staff and the inhabitants, we came up with an idea of using robots to replace duties. For example, delivering food and cleaning up rubbish in this case.
So actually, we are simulating a situation where there are multiple rooms. So as you can see here, we have a bag of rubbish in room 2 and it's waiting for the robot to collect it. Remote controls are actually connected to the robot by Bluetooth. And there are some logic and variables that has to be used to determine which room should the robot go to.
This is Eki.
This is Andrew.
This is Brayden.
Inspired by the restrictions in table tennis competition at 2020 Tokyo Summer Olympics, we designed this machine for table tennis athletes.
When the switch is turned on, 2 servos will control the arm with a basket.
The procedure will only start when the weight sensor measures 1 to 6 volts. The humidity in the fan box is sensed below 80%. And the pH of the baking soda is measured alkaline. The pH meter is installed to monitor the pH value of the baking soda. Baking soda is used for removing greases and dirt.
The table tennis will be eventually carried to the sandbox for drying. Our sports teacher actually complained about the problem. They cannot play table tennis very conveniently because of the policy.
My name is Rahan Assad. I'm Radim Al-Hamdi. I'm Riyad Al-Khalid.
Our problem is actually the usage of fossil fuels and natural gas and other non-renewable harmful materials in sea transportation, and created fully automated seaport that uses renewable energy sources, such as the ones displayed right here. Here we have three types of renewable energy sources: hydroelectric power. We have also solar power and wind energy. The drone that is accompanied by it actually flies alongside the vehicle, and then it can detect the best route. And second of all, we found actually that Tesla uses very similar navigation systems. We related that ocean and sea transportation share many of the same issues that land transportation did before Tesla existed. So